Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to 86 an item or set a stock limit, whatever term you want to use. So there's a couple different ways to do this, and depending on your establishment, you may or may not be able to do this without manager approval. So let me just show you the different options. Go ahead and start a ticket here, and let's say we're running low on ribeyes. So if I press and hold my finger on ribeyes, then I get an option for editing the stock limit. Say, well, we only have 5 ribeyes left. And then T-bones, we only got 10 of those left. I put 10. Now, if you notice, it puts a number down here at the bottom of the item, and it's different colors. So once you get to 5 or below, it'll drop to yellow. And of course, once you're out, we'll change this T-bone to 0. Whoops, not 100. 0. It does a red 0, let you know you're out. Now if you want to undo it, then of course you press and hold on it and put no limit, and then it will undo that part. We'll do the same thing here for the 5. Okay, so that's how you do that on the item. Now let's say we were out of green beans. Now on the ingredient, you can press and hold on it, and you do have the option for out of stock. Now, if this had a context item with it, those context items would still show up underneath, like the easy or on the side, etc., etc. So if we did add a stock here, we could do that. Now, there's not a way to do a stock limit on this one. It's either add a stock or none at all. Because on ingredients, it's a little harder to do. Like I can do the same thing. Let me remove item. I can do the same thing for taco and tomatoes. But I can't put, that we have 10 tomatoes left, because then you'd have to tell the system like how many tomatoes go on a taco, and you'd have to match that to a T. Like if there's 3 tomatoes on the taco, you have to make sure the person making it doesn't do 4 or 5 or 2 or whatever. So they don't do it on ingredients, just the main item. Now, if you're a manager, you've got another option by going to the manager screen up here at the top and going to manager. Then there is a item stock management here on the left. So if you did this, then you could start typing in stuff, and then you can put that we only have 5 ribeyes left, and T-bone. T-bones, we have 10 left. So you can do it this way as well. So those are the couple different ways to do it. I hope this video helped. That's all I got for this one. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.